All right, I'm back. So apologies. I had a message come through that shut my camera off, and I really don't feel like recording a lot of what I said over again. Primarily because one, I'll probably say it wrong. It won't come out the way that I want it to come across. And secondly is, well, I'm just kind of lazy that way. I don't feel like re-recording it. So we'll do a part one and part two. But you can see this is the black screen again. This is the free Sirius mix. Now, those individuals that I was talking about, so they've got materials, they've got time invested. And I was speaking, I brought up Crow 1176, I brought up Phantom HD Illuminant, and Sonic Chill. And the reason I brought those guys up is because I followed a number of guys, and there's some honorable mentions that I'll throw into the mix as well. Guys that I feel like have kind of their products coming along. It's not where I would recommend it yet because I still see in some of these videos you can see the hot spotting that's going on. You can see the vignette sort of effect where it's brighter in the center and it'll be dark around the edges, that kind of thing. So, they're making good progress, in my opinion, but they're not at the same level of where some of these other guys are. So that's the reason, I'm going to include them in my recommendations, and I'll break it down by cost and the type of stuff that at least I know that they offer. And this is based on information that they provided me. But we will enter this mix into some, at some point in time in the future, more than likely, but not from a mix perspective. We'll enter it in just that we'll be selling screens. We're working with Amazon now to get distribution for the screens. Not a very complex thing to do, but I've got a distribution center that's probably about 10 miles from my home here, so we can set up a nice distribution contract very easily. And I'm not crazy about having to use their shipping packages, but at the same time, shipping is not necessarily something that we're in the business for. We're installers from a professional standpoint. So I would really, while I don't like necessarily Amazon's name being on our product, the truth is that, if it saves us money and being able to distribute and it saves people money, that's the way to go. But we'll only be offering screens in the future, and we'll be offering, I say high-end screens. These are nice, elegant screens. They won't be high dollar compared to, a lot of the things that are out there from your professional screen companies. I would view us as a professional screen company, but we are starting small. So, a lot of these things are not going to be like composite PVCs and stuff like that. Maybe that stuff we'll get into the future. We are working on a patent right now for a transitional screen, and I'll explain that more as we move forward. But once again, can get good results, high ambient light, but don't fall for the parlor tricks. Okay, so I'll leave it there, and you guys have a great day, and we appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.